Here are 3 tips to renovate for a low maintenance home, which is a win-win. We all think we're DIY masters, but figure out what you can do yourself and what you need an expert for, such as plumbing and electrical. Getting it done right the first time will cut down on maintenance later on. Natural materials like stone and wood often get better with age and will stand the test of time, while porcelain or ceramic tiles are durable and easy to clean. Prefabricated floors are highly durable and at a lower cost, but some are less water resistant, so check before installing in your bathroom, kitchen or laundry. For bench tops, there are a few things to keep in mind. Natural stone will hide imperfections and dirt, but some stones like marble can stain easily. Plastic laminate, on the other hand, is budget-friendly, lightweight and durable, but it can be scratched and even burned if you are not careful. As for fixtures, go for quality and research the brand for durability. Lastly, pick the right paint for the right job. It's as simple as that. Wet areas require mold-resistant paint, while the exterior of your home requires a weather-resistant finish. It will look great for longer, meaning you won't have to pick up that paintbrush so soon. So when it comes to making updates to your home, don't just think cheapest or trendiest, think long-term. Spending a little more now on your renovation means a longer lifespan and less upkeep.